If your day feels like a string of urgent things with no finish line, time blocking can calm the chaos. It turns vague to-dos into actual appointments with yourself. Instead of work on project, it becomes 9 o'clock 10:30, write the proposal. That little shift reduces decision fatigue, cuts down on context switching, and forces real prioritization. Here's a simple, practical way to set it up, plus a few plug-and-play templates and a weekly rhythm so it sticks. Why time blocking works. It makes tasks concrete. A block with a start and end time is easier to commit to than a fuzzy intention. It reduces context switching. You're not bouncing between email, docs, and chats because the block has one job. It improves time estimates. When a 30-minute task repeatedly takes 50, you'll see it and plan better next time. It clarifies priorities. If there's no room for everything, you choose what actually matters. That's the point. How to start? 5 simple steps. 1. Audit one day. Pick a normal day and track what you do in 30-minute chunks. Don't obsess. Good enough data is fine. You'll spot leaks fast. Hello, quick email check that turned into 45 minutes. 2. List priorities. Write your top 3 for the week and top 3 for today. These are non-negotiables. Everything else fits around them, not the other way around. 3. Choose block sizes. Mix and match. Deep work. 90 minutes, big thinking, writing, design, analysis, focus sprints. 50 minutes, intense but shorter. Short tasks / maintenance. 25 minutes, batch these. Admin, email. 30-60 minutes, 1 or 2 windows a day, not all day. 4. Build from anchors. Put in fixed items first. Meetings, school drop-off, workouts, lunch, meds, whatever's immovable. These are your day's fence posts. 5. Block your calendar. Assign every activity a start and end time, including breaks and buffers. If you finish early, don't cram in something new. Use the buffer to rest, think, or handle overruns. That's how the system stays sane. Templates. 3 practical examples. Template A. Office professional, typical 9-5. 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock. Morning routine plus quick plan, last 10 minutes to set top 3. 9 o'clock, 10:30. Deep work. Project A. 90 minutes. 10:30, 11 o'clock, break/walk/email triage. 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock, focus sprint. Project B. 50 minutes. 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock, lunch plus reset. 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, meetings/calls. 2 o'clock, 3:30, deep work. Project C. 90 minutes. 3:30, 4 o'clock, admin/follow-ups. 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, wrap up. Plan tomorrow, small tasks. Template B. Student. 7:30, 8 o'clock, morning prep plus review goals. 9 o'clock, 10:30, study block. Subject 1. Pomodoro. 25/5, then 20. 10:30, 11 o'clock, break. 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock, class/reading. 1 o'clock, 2:30, assignment work. Subject 2, 90 minutes. 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, review plus practice problems. 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock, light review/plan next day. Template C, parent/freelancer with interruptions. 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock, morning routine. 8 o'clock, 9:30, deep work while kids are at school, 90 minutes. 9:30, 10:30, errands/pickups. 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock, client calls blocked. 1 o'clock, 2:30, focus. Content creation, 90 minutes. 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, admin plus emails. Evening, family time, no work blocks. Plan tomorrow and 10 minutes before bed. Cadence, daily and weekly habits. Daily, morning, 10-minute planning. Confirm top 3 and assign blocks. Midday, 5-minute check, slide blocks if needed. Don't pretend the day didn't change. End of day, 10-minute review. What finished, what moves, what's the first block tomorrow? Weekly, 30, 60-minute review. Look at last week's wins and misses, set next week's top priorities, and design theme days. Theme days group similar work, e.g. Monday. Planning and writing Tuesday. Clients Wednesday. Ops/admin. It's way easier on your brain. Practical tips and troubleshooting. Protect blocks like meetings. Close Slack, silence notifications, door closed if possible. If it's deep work, defend it. Batch similar tasks. 1 or 2 email windows a day. Not 17 microchecks. Color code your calendar by type, deep work, admin, meetings. You'll see imbalance at a glance. Reschedule on the spot. If something overruns, move the next thing, don't let it domino quietly. Start small. One 90-minute deep work block a day for a week, then add a second if you can. Track reality for a week. Most of us underestimate by 25–50%. Adjust your block sizes accordingly. Keep a parking lot note. When random ideas hit mid-block, park them and keep going. Build buffers. 10 minutes between blocks buys back focus. It's not wasted, it's maintenance. Quick personal note. When I first tried time blocking, I overpacked my calendar like it was Tetris. Looked pretty, crashed by Wednesday. The fix was simple: more buffer, fewer blocks, and treating the calendar as the boss. Not perfect every day, but the trend is way better. Conclusion and quick action. Time blocking is basically this. Audit your time, pick priorities, turn them into calendar blocks, protect those blocks, then review and adjust. Try it right now. Open your calendar and book one 90-minute focus block for tomorrow. If this was helpful, tap like and drop a comment with what you're blocking and why. You might give someone else a solid idea. Summary. Time blocking turns tasks into scheduled commitments, so you reduce decisions, avoid context switching, and finish what matters. You learned a 5-step setup, 3 ready-to-use daily templates, and a daily/weekly cadence with practical tips to keep it realistic. Start with one protected 90-minute block. Add buffers, and let your calendar do the heavy lifting.